Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can trade on Robinhood, so let's get started. First, open your Robinhood app and log into your account. On the home screen, you'll see your watch list and portfolio. To start trading, tap the search icon at the bottom and type the name or symbol of the stock or crypto you want to buy. Once the stock page opens, you'll see its price chart, market data, and trade options. Tap the trade button and then tap Buy Now. Enter the amount of money or number of shares you want to purchase. You can choose between a market order, which buys instantly at the current price, or a limit order, where you set your own price and the app will only buy when the stock hits that price. After entering your order details, tap Review, then swipe up to submit your trade. Once completed, you will see your shares appear instantly in your portfolio. To sell, go back to the same stock, tap Trade, and then tap Sell. Enter the number of shares you want to sell and confirm the order the same way. You can track your performance anytime under the Portfolio tab. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.